Happy Thursday. I hope you're doing well today. Had lots of rain this morning and we've got some sunshine now. While eating breakfast yesterday, I saw something a little different. I was looking out the window and there was a big carpenter bee just hovering like he was hanging from a string. And I saw a bird swoop by once, swoop by the second time, and the bee was gone. So I guess bees are on the diets of birds. The carpenter bee, like the carpenter ant, they differ from the termite, where the termite, they actually eat the wood, my understanding, and the carpenter species either bite through or drill through wood to make a home. So this song is very different, so I'd appreciate your patience and just listening to the words. And it's called The Bee and the Bird, inspired by nature. Well, there once was a bee in the morning breeze, so proud of his stinger and his majestic knees. Think about that line. Well, the bird came along, snatched him out of the air. No antenna, no wings found anywhere. Well, the bird on a branch whistling a haughty tune. Not a care in the world, no sense of tune. The cat leapt high and the bird plunged low. The end, no need to tell you, I'm sure you know. Well, the cat took a nap by the farmer's barn, dreaming of mice on MacDonald's farm. The dog chased the cat like the cat did the bird. Puss is still running, the last I heard. Well, the dog curled up in a big pile of straw, softest bed that you ever saw. Along came a wolf with fangs behind a snout. If the dog had not been swift, surely would have been taken out. Well, along came a grizzly, all brown and furry. You should have seen that old wolf scurry. Out of my way, Gray, time to hibernate. Winter's a-comin', and I can't be late. Well, along came a man with a hungry family and shot that bear right there where he did sleep. Some tasty stew and a warm fuzzy rug that sleeps by the fire and not where he was. Well, the man, he danced for all on the stage, thought that there'd be no end to his days. He screamed, "Look at me!" And in a whisk, he was gone. someone yelled next, and the spotlight came on. The song is not meant to make you sad or make you blue, or to make you worry that your hours may be few. Just know where you're going at the end of your days, and dance real pretty when you're up on stage. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.